How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to go live on TikTok without you having to show your face. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into the TikTok app on my phone. Then when I'm on my TikTok app and I want to go live, then I need to click on this plus symbol right here. When you are in here, then you simply need to click where it says live. In here, you will be able to add a title to your live. And I would also recommend you to click here to make sure that you don't have the front face camera on. But if you already don't have the front face camera in here, then you don't have to click here. We need to do this, of course, so that nobody can see our face in this live. You can also have front face camera on and just film like your roof, for example. You can also, of course, have some kind of thing that hides your face if you want to have the front camera on. There is really a lot of creative ways for you to try to hide your face, but make sure that you don't break any of TikTok rules so that you don't get banned. So when you feel okay to go live and you are sure that nobody will be able to see your face, then you can click where it says go live. If you don't have this option to go live, then I would recommend you to check out my video on my YouTube account that shows you how to go live on TikTok. Just search for how to go live on TikTok on my YouTube channel and you will be able to find that video. That video will explain to you how to get this option. So this is exactly how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.